Success Unveiled, a guide to wealth, health, and wise choices. Today, we delve into the intricacies of success, not through groundbreaking ideas, but by revisiting the familiar, presented by someone you trust in a logical manner. So let's explore the facets of achieving wealth, both financial and personal. This is Ash Cash Tash. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell. Now, let's dive in. Importance of trust in ideas. The path to success involves not just encountering novel ideas, but more crucially, entrusting oneself to familiar concepts articulated by individuals deemed trustworthy. The essence lies not in the novelty of the ideas, but in the source from which they emanate, a source recognized and trusted by the individual on their journey. Trust emerges as the cornerstone of this expedition toward success. It extends beyond the mere novelty of concepts and delves into the credibility of the messenger. In this context, the articulation of ideas by someone held in high regard becomes the bridge between familiarity and comprehension. The act of hearing well-known ideas when conveyed by a trusted individual transforms these concepts into pillars of guidance and understanding. The trust cultivated in this manner becomes a compass, guiding individuals through the labyrinth of decisions, strategies, and actions essential for success. It creates a symbiotic relationship between the familiarity of ideas and the confidence instilled by a trusted guide. Therefore, the selection of ideas to embrace is not solely about their uniqueness, but about the alignment of these ideas with the individual's values, goals, and the reliability of the messenger. The impact of drinking on life and success. The assertion that quote-unquote drinking is literally the devil underscores a perspective that positions alcohol consumption as a hindrance to personal and financial success. The argument extends beyond the potential physical and mental effects of drinking to touch upon its perceived impact on decision-making, sleep quality, and even one's competitive edge in the pursuit of success. The statement suggests that drinking introduces a figurative cloud over the mind, possibly alluding to the cognitive impairment associated with alcohol consumption. This cloud, in the metaphorical sense, could represent a hindrance to clarity of thought, focus, and strategic decision-making. Moreover, the reference to sleep disruption implicates alcohol's influence on a crucial aspect of overall well-being, which is essential for sustained productivity and effective decision-making. The notion that abstaining from drinking provides a competitive advantage aligns with the idea that a clear mind and optimal health contribute to an individual's ability to navigate challenges and seize opportunities. The implication is that, in a world where success is often marked by a competitive edge, choosing not to drink is framed as a strategic decision that can potentially enhance one's position in the pursuit of financial milestones. Before we move on to the next segment, it's time to join the subscribe squad. Hit that like button and stay tuned for awesome content. Prioritizing strong body and finances in your 20s. The statement emphasizes the significance of two foundational pillars, having a strong body and establishing a robust financial foundation for individuals under 30, asserting that these elements play a pivotal role in shaping their future. The focus on physique, strength, agility, and financial stability is positioned as crucial aspects that set the stage for a successful and fulfilling life, particularly during what is described as the quote-unquote glory years from 28 to 38. The emphasis on a strong body implies a recognition of the importance of physical health and fitness during the formative years of one's 20s. This could encompass not only the aesthetic aspect of having a fit physique, but also the broader health benefits associated with regular exercise and a healthy lifestyle. Strength and agility, mentioned alongside physique, suggest a holistic approach to physical well-being, encompassing both muscular strength and overall flexibility and mobility. Simultaneously, The directive to focus on a strong financial foundation underscores the importance of financial literacy, planning, and responsibility. Establishing a solid financial base in one's 20s is framed as a strategic move that lays the groundwork for future financial success and stability. This could involve practices such as budgeting, saving, and making informed investment decisions. The arc of personal growth and settling into wealth. As you go through an arc, you'll eventually settle into your money. You won't feel the need to constantly upgrade for others. Some people, even with a lot of money, are slaves to keeping up appearances. Give up these patterns to become rich and stay rich. Let's navigate the phases of personal growth and the significance of settling into wealth. Spending and lifestyle choices. Don't fall into the trap of spending beyond your means. Some spend more than they earn, taking trips and flexing on social media. It's a sad existence. Save and invest wisely. Once you get the ride in your 20s, life becomes easy mode. We'll explore the dangers of overspending and the importance of financial wisdom. The dangers of keeping up appearances. Keeping up appearances is a trap. Many are stuck paying for things they can't afford. If you get this right in your 20s, life becomes easy mode for the rest of your life. Stop drinking until you see $1 million in your bank account. Let's delve deeper into the dangers of keeping up appearances and its impact on your long-term success. Insights on relationships and dating. For men under 25, don't worry about serious dating. Focus on becoming the man you want to be. Your dream girl might not be attainable now, but it's a journey that takes time. Your glory years are from 28 to 38. Let's discuss the intricacies of relationships and the importance of personal development. Observations on wealthy lifestyles and drinking patterns. In higher echelons, people often drink fine wines and whiskeys. Wealthy people have certain patterns. I've noticed successful people who make 8 figures or more often drink. It's a pattern worth considering, but everyone is wired differently. Let's explore the observations on wealthy lifestyles and the patterns associated with success. Conclusion and giving up keeping up appearances. Give up drinking. Focus on self-improvement and present yourself to the world in a few years. Once you reach a certain level of success, you can indulge in certain things except for keeping up appearances. It's a crucial aspect to give up if you want to become rich and stay rich. As we conclude our exploration, remember, success is not just about what you do, but also about what you let go of on your journey to greatness. Thank you for joining us on this insightful journey into the realms of success. If you found value in these discussions, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Until next time, stay focused, stay determined, and keep crafting the life you envision. Once again, this is Ash Cash Tash. If you found these insights valuable, don't forget to like, subscribe, click the notification bell, and share this video. And for more engaging content on economics, business, and personal finance.